Now I'm going to go through the maintenance management module in MainManager. I log in here from the login site as usual, and I come directly to the maintenance management module. And like I said before, I have split the operation and maintenance in two parts, but this can be combined in the system. So some of our customers use this as a one process. This process of maintenance management is in steps, and the first step is a list of maintenance needs. Maintenance needs can be collected through the year, usually a year cycle, where the customer or user of the building, or you have professionals to go and inspect the building and estimate maintenance needs, and they put it in a list here. If I open up one of the maintenance needs, you can see here it's general info about the title and condition description and proposed improvements, and condition grade, some estimate of consequence and so on, and when this is supposed to happen, in which year, and the quantity and unit price with index and some risk assessment here. And you can see also that the system flags if this object is in some kind of guarantee. You go through this list, prioritize, and then you can take every one of them and create a maintenance task from the needs. Then you do that and you create one task per incident. Or you can combine some of the tasks, some of the needs in one task. And then the system, and you choose the task object for the both and a new name, and the system sums up the price and also the time frame for its object, for its need. And when you have done that, you put every need in the maintenance plan. You see the long-term plan here, and this is the long-term plan. If it's a dynamical plan, if you have some needs that should be done after 10 years, you will see 10 years plan here. And you can also see this plan as a list. And what you do next is you approve the plan. You approve the budget, or partly approve if the task is over 1 year, you can partly approve each year. You put the budget here and you approve it here. And when everything is approved, you have the yearly maintenance plan. And here you start to create some purchase order to the external provider. And this is, for instance, here a budget for 3 work orders, 3 purchase orders that I have sent out to external provider, and I can see invoice base, work order front page that is and invoice information and so on that are sent to the service provider. And you can also follow the budget here if you are connected to the finance system, so you have total control of the budget. All work orders or purchase orders are shown in the list, and you can follow them here. This was a short introduction to the maintenance management module. Thank you very much.